Ma-bored ako. Yan yung palagi kong nadidinig ngayong bakasyon. So, let me just show you one activity that we do here. I'm teaching Georgiana to bake her own cookies. This way, magagamit niya yung oras niya at hindi siya mabobored. And after that, meron pa siyang healthy snacks that she can share with her friends. And bata pa lang, ma-expose na siya dito sa baking. A very good skill that you can pass on to your kids. And more importantly, enjoy yan. Ang saya. It's not only relaxing, mag-enjoy talaga yung mga bata na mag-bake. Ang ginamit namin dito is melted brown butter. Kasi magandang additional yan dun sa texture and sa lasa ng cookies. Huwag nyo munang ilagay yung sugar pag mainit pa yung butter ha. Dapat room temp siya. Then ihalo nyo na yung the rest of the ingredients. Ganun lang kadali yun. Dito I measured everything and I let her do the rest of the procedure. Basta syempre, nakabantay kayo para hindi naman masayang yung mga ingredients. And another bonding experience din to with you and your kids. Kaya, if I were you, i-add yun na to sa mga activities nyo ngayong summer. Kaya nga kami, hindi na kami masyadong bumubili ng cookies kasi gumagawa na lang kami. Mas masarap, mas masaya pa. Para mas masarap syempre yung cookies, quality ingredients yung gagamitin nyo, especially for the butter and the chocolate. Para makagawa kayo ng premium cookies at home. Once everything are incorporated, pwede nyo siyang i-shape as cookies. Siyempre, bilog-bilog yun. Pero kung gusto nyo ng ibang shape, nasa yun na yun. You can do anything that you want. Pwede nyo i-rest to sa ref for 30 minutes or pwede nyo na rin i-bake to agad. At 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Depende sa oven nyo. Basta yung color niya hindi masyadong brown. Para chewy and chunky. Ano pa yung gusto nyo i-bake? Comment nyo.